Hello, we're in the farm. I like the beach. Look at the cardboard up there. There's a cardboard. We're here to a little house. And my tent, and another tent. The shirt is hanging. And the colors are grown in a hat. Yeah. Bye. Hello, I in my PNCC house. I have a tent, another tent. There's 3 tents. Ate Bonay, what are you doing? He's not saying anything. My hat is in the floor.
You make vlog na, Nathan, so that you
Look
will
at the
not be
smoke.
worried.
And so that you will remember your first experience in a farm.
There's no smoke anymore.
Niya, mag-ano?
Look at that thing there.
Hindi niya first time mag-tent. Mag-tent tayo dun sa ano.
The log is falling down.
Wala pa rin pa na akong mga tuloy pa lang nga tayo.
Did you see the log?
2 years old. Oh, Derek, lagpas na mga 20.
Pinapaswanad ko eh dagat.
There's a shirt is hanging.
Nakapakal eh.
Alas 12 pa lang.
A shirt is hanging.
Kita ang gabi.
Ayaw, madaling araw.
And the cardboard is underneath us.
Oray signal gawin to isla.
Crowded pa.
Oray yun.
There's insects.
Tapos na natin kuwan doon.
Ayun.